Pressure washing this pen now. The system says it's due.
I'll scrape the solids onto the conveyor.
Perfect. Hygiene protocols are all to clean up. Inserting the thermometer now. Holding him steady. Palpating the hump, feels normal. Ear clear, no discharge. Noting the weight and temp. Body score.
Body score is 3.5.
Humidity's at 45%. Keep it steady.
Got it. Loading the last hide. Temp is climbing. That's good.
Meanwhile, premium hides move into large soaking tanks inside the leather processing department, advanced treatment systems operating continuously. The hides are immersed in chemical solutions, beginning the transformation. Next, the hides enter the tanning drum, where rotation preserves surface quality and durability.
Surface looks even. Check the grain. Consistent. Flipping it. Underside is clean. No flaws. Agreed. This batch is good. Starting batch 2. This one feels good.
Okay, passing it over. This one's ready for cutting.
Good. Keep the flow going.
Stitching is even, no flaws on the leather surface.
Let's check this horn piece against the export specs.
I'll run the digital scan now. Leather dimensions are perfect. It passes.
Excellent. These meet our premium standards. Initiating placement sequence now. Product secured, moving to box. Placement complete. Sealing box.